Hi everyone, so excited to be here at the riverfront in Newport this evening with all our Coleg Gwent learners for our body painting expo. The learners have been working endlessly and tirelessly, obviously, to get you some fantastic body paints. The 4 themes that we have this evening are War of the Worlds, Welcome to the Gallery, Nostalgia and Country.
So we're working on a catwalk at the minute and our theme is art, so I've chosen an artist, a musician rather than an actual artist. So I've chosen the band Greta Van Fleet and I'm inspired by one of their songs in creating a full body paint.
This is my beautiful model Carly. We're currently studying a catwalk body paint show. Our theme is art and it is Welcome to the Gallery, so I have chosen to inspire myself about how I think art and makeup will develop in the future.
I'm on level 3 theatrical and media makeup and the course really pushes you to create and be very theatrical with everything you do. It's a very good course to be on, pushes you 100%.
So for shows like this evening, obviously it prepares our learners in industry, as this is how it is run in industry. Obviously we have 40 makeup artists and 40 models, so it's a huge show, something similar to maybe like London Fashion Week, but it prepares them. It's coming off campus as well, so it's a location, so it shows them how important really preparation is. They also are under assessment, so it's nice to be able to do an assessment outside of college as well.
Long-term career plans are to hopefully develop into being a makeup designer on TV and film. So to put myself in the right direction, I applied to different universities. I got accepted into London College of Fashion, but I decided to study at Bolton, Manchester, and continue this creative level at a higher level to get into the industry, hopefully. I think the course is really creative. It's so inspiring for someone who wants to go into creative avenues and really interested in art and colourful and so fun, and it's really laid back and it's not like school. It's really fun to do, and I would 100% recommend it to anyone.
Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God, guys, what an event. So proud of all the learners and all the team that obviously made this come to life. It's been incredible. Absolute round of applause to everyone. And it's a wrap, guys.